Yo, what's up, everybody? It's July 22nd, 2020, and this is our FX market update. It's been an up and down day, and the market's still targeting dollar weakness, and silver is on going out of the universe. So there's a lot happening and a lot not happening in the markets today. So let's get right into it. And if this is your first time, an introduction to me, my name's Clay and I own Rona Forex, and thanks for watching. If you want to learn how to trade and get a realistic approach to becoming profitable in trading, click the link below to get started. We have an amazing training program and one of the best trading communities you will ever find. I promise you that. You will not be disappointed. So click the link below to get started. Let's get right into some analysis on the pairs here. Let me pull up my charts. There we go. And just real quick, looking at gold here. I was hoping, I'm still hoping for more of a dip. I'm not going to buy it at when it's so overextended like it is. Excuse me. But I still think we're going much higher. Take a look at silver here. I mean, this is like the level, the overbought level on the RSI, the daily 4 hour. You can see the divergence there, and this looks like a place that we could potentially see a pullback. And God, man, I just went to the store. And we were trading below this line, and that rally got bought up super quick. So I mean that dip. So if you want to get in on silver, man, you got to really be quick here, and really hoping for a more significant failure, which will then create more of a buying opportunity. So, but you can see here across the board. AU, we're in breakout mode. We got a little bit of dollar strength today, but it's not much. So I'm still looking for dips here. Same here in Euro USD. That's not really, that is a dip, but is that going to be all she wrote for the dollar? Is that all it can muster? So that's what we're really paying attention to. GBPUSD, we got a good trade going on here in our VIP group. Sent out a signal this morning on it, and it looks like we're trying to break out higher, and so we'll have to wait to see. So another trade that we're in is pound Aussie, and starting to retrace a little bit. We have a big trend line break here. You can see on the daily chart. This looks pretty bearish. If we make it back above here, then that would give us a big false breakdown, which would be a really big buying signal. But that hasn't happened. So excuse me. Right now, all I can really look for is that we're going to be moving lower. So that being said, and same deal with pound New Zealand. These are two super similar pairs, but need to go to the weekly to really look at it, and you can see. Pound New Zealand looks like it's actually holding up a little bit better than pound Aussie. So still looking for some downside, and we want to get those good entries and selling this rally here in pound Aussie, I feel like is a good play. So that being said, it's not an exact science, because otherwise we would be billionaires. But we are hitting some pretty major resistance here in pound Aussie. So now let's take a look at these yen pairs, which have been seeing some really strong moves here. Euro yen is interesting. You know, we could see a move lower from here. We had this big U shape. Sorry, guys. 3 o'clock, 2:30 is is always the downtime. So Euro yen, Euro AUD still trading above this or below this trend line. So I thought we were going to get a bounce higher, but that did not materialize. So this could be another good selling opportunity for Euro AUD. Whether or not this breakdown manifests itself or not, we'll just have to wait and see. So, you know, but you can look at these other yen pairs like, you know, we cleared 100 pips in NZD JPY, or wait, no, Swiss yen. And if you look at New Zealand yen here, I mean, huge rally. So, which should create a good buying opportunity and a good, hopefully a dip to buy here, because you can see this is pretty breakout territory, especially in NZD JPY, particularly like this setup. So I'm watching it and waiting for a good entry. So you know, the market, there's been a lot of fake outs today. It seems like, you know, we started to break lower in dollar CAD here, but just have to wait to see if this trend line holds or if we continue to break down on dollar CAD as well. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. It's been a rangy day in the market. So when it's like this, you know, you gotta be careful and trade with patience and, excuse me, discretion. So man, sometimes trading, it's such, people don't get it, man, but it's a full-time job, and it requires, you don't get enough sleep or something like that, it can be hard on you. So that's why it's super important to take care of your physical health. So that being said, everybody, hope you found this video helpful, and it's Wednesday, so let's finish the week strong. Appreciate your support. If you want to be a part of our community of traders, you'll be happy that you did. I'm telling you, if you're serious about trading, this is the place to be. So click the link below to get started. Shout out to everybody in my VIP group. Y'all are the best. And I'll see you in the chat room. Peace.